Did you get investment in Cyprus?
Yes.
How was that journey?
It was quite tough. I mean, very tough, I would say. I think it's almost broke me.
You almost give up?
Many times. I think only support of nearest and dearest helped me not to give up. And the very first investors were the angel investors, one of them from my previous company, then like friends of his friends or something like this, like very...
Friends and family, let's say.
Yeah,
first
so
round,
it was very... It even wasn't around, like giving some money on the go to help us not to fail. But when I started to think about really to get the investment from someone who can be called outsider, so that I didn't know this person before, so I want to call him investor, proper investor. I thought it will take much less time, and I thought that it will be easier.